Are you recording?
Yep.
Hey guys, it is day 3 in Paris, right? Yeah, it is day 3.
Full day 2.
Full day 2, day 3. Well, we landed at like 8 a.m. on day 1, but yesterday we went to Kith, which was fucking fire. We're gonna go back there and we're gonna bring you guys because you have to see it. It's dope. And I got something from there, and then we went to some cafes, did some work, we saw the fam, had dinner, did some shopping. I'm gonna show you guys something that we've manifested, which is in here. I did repackage this. I'm just gonna keep it 100 because Nubian already took his out. So let me show you what we got. Oh, I retired this too. What is in the box? Let's see. I was holding off on opening this. I was even contemplating waiting until we got home to open it, but I want to use it, and so we're just gonna open it now.
You don't save things. Come on.
I know, but you know when you get home and you open up exciting things from your trip. So obviously you see that it's a trinket from Goyard of
Wait,
some
let me
nature.
zoom in on the box.
Yeah, the box is fire. The detail is
ridiculous.
fire. There's like the Goyard embossing on the box. It's textured. Obviously, it's a really beautiful, the green, beautiful Goyard color. Comes with a little Goyard authenticity.
I don't know.
Little card and the tag for the item. This is not my first Goyard piece. It's my second Goyard piece.
Weird flex,
Nubians
but
as
okay.
well.
Just kidding.
Nubians as well. So I think it's beautiful. So this is the original Goyard color. Nubian went with a little something more fun. I have something that's like already like a really nice
Pop
color, which is over there. But I thought I would go with this because it's just classic. I mean, you can wear anything with anything, but it really caught my eye, so I went with it. And Nubian also got one. Why don't you show them yours?
Why don't I show them mine?
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Big bank Uchis, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? He's doing what they gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Money green for the money team, you under dig, you under Dini. While going for mine, man. All of that. Big bank Uchis.
But yeah, this is the whatever. We couldn't decide which is the back and which is the front, but
Because the back has the little
Goyard.
Goyard and Kith Paris.
It's a beautiful card holder.
And the reason why we got it, really, because you could buy any card holder, really, but we put in Paris a few times. We went by the Goyard store. We were like, I don't know, blah, 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 blah.
No, there was no, I don't know. We wouldn't even never contemplated purchasing.
We didn't
Let's keep
contemplate
a
it.
Stat.
We didn't contemplate it. But when we planned this trip, we were like, yeah, we're going to go to Paris. We got a little Goyard card holders, you know what I'm saying? Because we walked in already Goyarded up, you feel me? Like, they don't know what they thought it was, you know what I'm saying? We walked in, you know what I'm saying, holding something, you feel me? We weren't new to the program, but, you know, it was a different experience.
Yeah, and if there were obviously people in there that were buying like backpacks and like luggage and.
They were scamming.
No. There were people in there buying all sorts of things that like are obviously much more expensive and pieces that we want to own in the future, but stay in your fucking lane. You know what I'm saying? Don't go in there doing that crazy. Stay in your lane. And this was our lane. Okay.
This is the
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Buy a little something here and there, and over time.
You're gonna have a bunch of little somethings. Or bigger somethings.
Exactly. But definitely excited to have these. And then I'll show you what I got from Kith. Kith was an experience, not just a store. Goyard The store's fire. The store's fire, but there's people, you know, in there shopping, and there's a lot. I will go so far as to say that Kith was more of an experience than Goyard. Goyard, it was nice to be at the store and all that.
Goyard's a heritage brand.
Exactly.
It's been around for literally hundreds of years.
Yes. Kith was fire. The store was fire. The design of the store was fire. We had lunch there. The fucking lunch was bomb. The ice cream was bomb. I was just taken aback.
No details overlooked.
No, not at all. But I was taken aback because you go sometimes to a place that's hyped up and just live up to the hype. This place very much so lived up to the hype. So if you're in Paris, go to Kith, check it out, have lunch there. Have a $30 burger, it's worth it. That comes with no motherfucking fries.
Yeah, what's up with that?
But it was a really good burger. I couldn't finish it. So I got some Yeezy slides, which we were surprised to even fucking see in stock. If you're in the States, you already fucking know. You have to buy these on the fucking resale, and it's like 200 something, 300 depending on your size, depending on the color, because they sell out within minutes. They were just chilling, like on the shelf, like it was nothing. 70 euros. So I went with these. I was excited to find them. Damn, bro, this box is hard body. You've seen them, you know what they look like, but yes, I found them in my size. I was super excited about that. And that's it for day 3. Then after we did some shopping, we went to...
That's not day 3. That was the first full day.
Babe, it's Thursday.
That was the first full day.
Oh, today's day 3.
Yeah. But
sorry.
For full day 2.
Right. I'm adjusting still to the time zone.
Alright, do a quick drip check.
But yeah.
Go over the fit. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Ralph Lauren top, Levi jeans, Clark's on the, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have my Goyard bag.
The little fuzzy wuzzies.
Yes.
Those are
Let me do a fit check for you.
You know, the good old trusty Gap, G.I. Joe inspired, tiger camo button up. You had to dig. Little.
Struggling over there?
Little low-key sweater. Sometimes I take my jacket off, like little flats on them, you know what I'm saying? I know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? A little double RL, Western belt, and good polo socks. We'll see what goes on the feet. Who knows?
Period. All right, y'all. We might bring the camera along today. Don't know, but we're in Montmartre. We're headed to more like central Montmartre to do some work.
In Amsterdam tomorrow.
We're very much so still working from Paris. I don't think we showed you guys the Airbnb, but it's fire. It's very cute. This is the entrance here. You have the kitchen, super cute. Then you have the living room, very cute. And then you have 2 rooms over there, bathrooms. You know, y'all know what that looks like. But yes, headed to do some work. Then Amsterdam tomorrow. Headed there for the weekend. And we'll be back in Paris on Monday. Peace.